Birds and crocodiles both belong to a group called Archosauria, or archosaurs. Archosaurs, right at their beginning, they split into two groups. One group is called the crocodile line archosaurs, and then bird line archosaurs. On the bird line archosaur, we have a lot of familiar creatures. We have pterosaurs, and especially we have dinosaurs. On the crocodile line, we have lots of amazing animals. They're just not as widely known to the public. The only surviving members of the crocodile line archosaurs are the 23 species of crocodiles that we have with us today.
I think most people, when they think of a crocodile or an alligator, you have these sort of big, massive heads and either a curved or a pointed snout. But to imagine a crocodile 40 feet long and have a skull the size of a small car, that's just something you wouldn't expect to have found in Earth history. In the Amazon, we found 7 species about 13 million years old, coexisting in one single place at one time. That's quite remarkable because in most places in the world, there are only a few species that live side by side. In this particular place, 7 were living in the same place at the same time, and they were specializing in a variety of different ways.
A lot of people ask me, oh, you work on alligators? And I say, no, I work on crocodiles. Crocodiles and alligators are about as distantly related as you and I are from bats or dogs or something. So they're within the same group, crocodilians, but their most recent common ancestor was about 100 million years ago. Within crocodilians, there are the alligators and their relatives. And then there are these long-snouted things called gavialids, and then there are the crocodilids, which include all the true crocodiles. They all look like these heavily armored, sea-going, submarine-like predators, but that's just because that's a great body plan.
A lot of people actually don't realize that in just the recent past, populations disappeared and some species nearly became extinct. The primary threat to crocodiles in the past has been overhunting for the skin trade. And the current threats really are destruction of wetland habitats. I think crocodiles are amazingly charismatic animals myself. But even if you didn't share that view, they're an important part of the ecosystems they inhabit. They're usually the largest predator in those environments. So if you're going to have a complete and intact and healthy ecosystem, you need all of its members, including crocodilians.
Crocs, ancient predators in the modern world, really represents the living legacy of over 230 million years of evolution. I hope that people leave with a greater appreciation of just how specialized these animals are, just how beautiful they are, and just how important that they are within the ecosystems in which they function.